twister? Grab it. I'm being heavy. Grab her. Grab it. Hello? You want to be twister?
Oh, I don't know, man. Let's see what they want to do.
Alright.
I love it. Twister's fun, man.
Yeah.
It's a longer run, too. Right here.
Yeah, me too.
It's like because it's gotten sweaty, I think it's close.
We're going to go far left, Twister. That's what I want to do now. Oh, okay. So, I've got a couple more runs to 4 o'clock and thaw it out. We y'all jumping down. That was not good. I might like that one. It's not good. I mean, I don't think for snowboarders might.
We've been through these three. Oh, sure. But they're all like, icy.
Yeah, you can pick whatever length you want.
And foggy.
Better, longer.
Do it long, do it
All right,
long.
so you can move it around.
Oh, did you get a new thing?
Yeah, it's a different one.
I'm gonna go to all the corners. Alright, go. Let's go.
Are you going?
No, twister.
I'm going to go up and twist. Alright?
All right.
Where are they going?
I'll go straight through.